Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start the weekly analysis for Bank Nifty, Nifty and BankX also this time. So we'll go over what my bias is for the week, okay? Why is that bias there? मतलब उसका logic क्या है? मतलब we'll try to find that out. Also, like I'll be covering in this video why we don't trade certain indices, okay? That's a question I've been asked multiple times, so we'll cover that as well. So first, I think before we start the video, I would request all of you, if you like these videos, please hit the like button. It helps us grow our channel. Okay, so let's start with the monthly analysis. सबसे पहले तो मुझे month के candle पे we need to see the last month's candle. What does this candle tell you? मेरे हिसाब से this tells me that this market is not like wanting to go down on a monthly time frame because this is a pin bar candle. तो इसका wick देखोगे आप, wick देखोगे तो 1696 पॉइंट्स का है and body 300 पॉइंट्स का है. So the wick is at least 5 times more than the body, which is very bullish. I think it's a very bullish sign. ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम प्राइस एक्शन पर्सपेक्टिव मुझे इसमें कुछ ऐसा बेरिश नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, मंथली चार्ट पर. सो व्हाट कैन वी डू? लाइक वी हैव अ बुलिश बायस, तो उसमें वी कैन ऐड वन मोर लेयर लाइक ऑफ certainty which we want, not exactly but मतलब थोड़ा सा चलता है वो, तो we can try to like become really bullish above the current month's high. So for example, now the market is at 51,351. Okay, so current month's high is 51,900 पकड़ो. So 51,900 के ऊपर we will be breaking the last month's high. Okay, which will be a very very bullish indication again. So keep this in mind. 51,900 के ऊपर again go long aggressively. Okay, and also I'll tell you, usually तो market broke the previous month's low but it did not close below that. Okay, तो हमको top out का signal how do we get? Okay, we need a red candle. Okay, and उसके low के नीचे we need another red candle. This is a sort of कि top बन गया ना, that kind of a formation लेको रहता है वो. तो in this case, in our current case, इसमें like the market is refusing to go down price action wise, मुझे वो दिख रहा है. Okay, so monthly time frame tells me Bank Nifty is very bullish. Weekly time frame पे let's discuss. Okay, last 2-3 weeks के what logics are we looking for? We want a closing. ये hammer हो गया. Okay, for example, so hammer के high के ऊपर we need a closing. Correct. So we now have 2 weeks which have closed above the hammer's high. ठीक है. Now the problem is candle closings तो मिल गए हमको, but वो जो जिस candle से it should break and close above the high, that candle we are not getting. So it is bullish, okay, because it's closing above the last week's high also. It's closing above the hammer also. That's why it's bullish. But what we want, okay, an ideal picture वैसा नहीं मिल रहा है हमको. Okay. Still, because the price action is telling me bullishness, I'm going to play with some bullish bias. ठीक है. So one good thing about the last week is it closed above the last week's high also. ठीक है. So market is slowly going up since 3 weeks now. Cool. Now what we want, ideally हमको क्या चाहिए? अगर ये candle close हो गया है ना, हमको एक ऐसा बड़ा candle चाहिए. ठीक है. This is what needs to happen in the market and I think it should. Okay, so let's see if my analysis will work or not, but I'll tell you the counter logic also. मैंने मेरा logic तो बता दिया ना. I think it should go up because ये hammer के ऊपर है, last week के high के ऊपर है and मतलब ये अच्छा candle है, मतलब green candle. ठीक है. Now what are we going to do if I go wrong? The first thing is current week के 5900 के नीचे I think I'm going to be wrong. So 5900 के नीचे I'll have a sell bias. ठीक है. So I'll monitor this level and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to target puts below this. Okay, all these puts and try to gobble them up. That's going to be my strategy for the next week. Okay, so if market goes sideways, okay, or up or very slowly if it comes down, still I'll make money. Cool, so that's what we inferred from the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame पे भी bullish लग रहा है हमको. अगेन लाइक वाई, बिकॉज लास्ट वीक के हाई के ऊपर भी क्लोज हो रहा है एंड बेरिश कब खेलना है? करंट वीक के लो के नीचे विल प्ले बेरिश. तो लेट्स कम टू द डेली चार्ट. डेली चार्ट पर लेट्स मार्क द सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस पहले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल. तो रेक्टेंगल का हाई which was a resistance earlier, I expect this to be going a support. Okay, आगे जाते जाते ना I think this will become a support. So 50,750 is a support for us. So मैं क्या करूंगा? मुझे अगर ये support लग रहा है ना, like even if market comes down, so what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to sell puts below this level. Let me go and check the premiums. Yes, this put I've just checked. See, it's trading at 60 rupees, which like if you say sell that and make it 0, it goes to a %. Okay, so I'll be targeting puts below that level. Okay, 5600 and below के मतलब क्योंकि 5700 मेरा support है. Correct. So these puts I think you can target on the chart I'm drawing for you. Correct. And मान लो if the market comes down, let's say if it breaks something like this, so you have these puts. Okay, you're also going to sell these calls for OTM. This is simple game plan मतलब for the next week. What can we do? Okay, so like this you can strangle the market like this and this put is likely to go to 0 and the above call, whichever call you sell, that's also likely to go to 0. Now what if the market just keeps going up? Okay, let's say it keeps going up. In that case what's going to happen? We are anyway anyways targeting these puts, right? And we'll be selling calls if the market comes down. But if the market only goes up, जैसे मुझे लग रहा है अगर वैसे ही जा रहा है, तो my puts, these puts I'm going to be eating all of them. Then I'm going to shift them up, then up, then up, because the market will also keep going up, right? So maybe मेरे puts roll करते जाओगा ऊपर to maximize my profit. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the support resistance basis. Let me show you one more thing. See this trend line, okay? We drew this a few times ago, okay, few days ago. And what are we seeing? We are seeing कि इसके ऊपर like breakout we have already gotten. Okay, this is the breakout candle above this trend line. Now what happened after that? Market went inside candle. 3 days का inside candle है. Okay, 4th day also is closing here. Now, if I tell you logically, think about it. If the market has broken out from a trend line, logically सोचो उसको ऊपर it has to go, correct? Right? So if it has to go up, it cannot be pausing, like it has to go up then, मतलब ultimately. So what we can do, like because last 3-4 days the market has contracted, we can expect a big day. I don't know when the big day comes. I'm trying to tell you since like a long time this big day के लिए, but I think कभी तो लाओ अभी, मतलब like it has to come. Okay, so what is going to happen? Simple. Above this last 4 days high, we will go aggressively bullish again because we are in the search for this breakout के बाद market has to go up quickly. ऐसा quick it has to go up. ठीक है, because it's not respecting the trend line breakout as of now, but it will, I think so. So we'll put a condition on it. We'll go aggressive above the last 4 days high. Cool. So this is what will work. Now what can you do on the downside? Downside, see, bearish bias, so you can take only below 5700. Okay, below this only you can take a bearish bias. Now उसके नीचे what can you do? I think at the most for an option seller, you can try to strangle the market. Now strangle when can you do? I think below the current day low also, like because you know market went up, it tested this, so you can start selling below current day low also, these kind of calls. I don't know the premiums यहाँ पे क्या हो गए. Yeah, they have good premiums, 51,800 and all, but by the time they come down, they'll be like lower. Okay, so you can strangle the market below the current day's low, I think so. Cool, so basic strategy I've given you for the next week. Okay, so I'm just showing the 15-minute time frame also, like multiple like resistances were taken here. Then you got a breakout here, okay? And so that has to be a support going forward. You can trade a W here because this is a support. Cool, and all these puts should go to zero. OTM puts, correct? So that's it for Bank Nifty. I told you we have a bullish bias, and I told you to strangle the market below the current day's low, and you'll only go bearish below 5700. Okay, that's the Bank Nifty recap. Now let's go for Nifty. See, Nifty current month, okay, what's the candle telling you? All-time high closing, highest closing ever, green candle, pin bar candle, big wick. This all tells me Nifty is very bullish, okay? So try to have a bullish bias in your trades. It's more likely to work. I'll give you an example. Abhi dekho, once you spotted a bullish bias, okay, what happens? Now this whole thing like last like 1 year say, if you try to play with like a bearish bias, for sure आपका SL hit होना है, मतलब all the time. So we are trying to lower the SL risk, मतलब all these candles, the monthly candles, apart from this election day, they would have like hit your stop losses had you played bearish. Simple. So we have to like try to gobble puts only here. Simple. Okay, in Nifty. Nifty weekly candle, what is telling me? Highest closing ever. Okay, breaking the previous all-time high. And the only bad thing is continuous green candles in a row. Okay, but even in this, what we are going to try to do, we are going to try to target these OTM puts, provided they have enough premiums. If they don't have premiums, we'll skip the setup. Cool, so this looks very bullish to me, okay, Nifty also. And of course, we'll play bearish below the current week's low. The current week's low comes up to 24,900 level. So it's roughly 300-350 points away from the current Nifty spot price. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे भी मुझे बुलिश इंडिकेशन ही मिल रहा है, ठीक है. ऑल टाइम हाई क्लोज, हाईएस्ट वीकली क्लोज, सब कुछ मतलब उसके प्रो है. ओके, इन द डेली चार्ट ऑल्सो दिस वाज अ प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस एंड वी मैनेज टू क्लोज अबव दैट रेजिस्टेंस व्हिच इंडिकेट्स द मार्केट इज बुलिश. ठीक है, बट उसके बाद वी हैव गॉट अ साइलेंट डे. नाउ साइलेंट डे के बाद हमारा बायस क्या होना चाहिए? वी नीड टू गॉबल दीज ओटीएम पुट्स, फर्स्ट थिंग वो. एंड आई थिंक साइलेंट डे के बाद बहुत बार होता है एक और साइलेंट डे मिलता है आजकल. ठीक है, सो वी कैन प्लान फॉर दैट इन निफ्टी. And current week के high के ऊपर we can again play bullish with a bullish bias, and the support will be at 25,100 level for Nifty. Okay, previous ATH level. And if you want to try to take a sell trade, okay, तो selling का trade के लिए तो let the market break this trend line, okay, on the downside. यहाँ पे 2 बार टेस्ट किया है इसको, तो trend line it has to let the trend line break, then we'll try to convert into a triangle or call sell or whatever, okay, but like try to have a bullish bias till it's above this. Also one more logic I'll tell you, यहाँ पे some violent price action has taken place, okay, option sellers have been hit. That day Nifty was very hard, okay, for example. Now this ultimately it went up, so this has to be a support moving forward. Okay, because this violently it went up, because that's why it has to be a support. Easily market can't break that now. So 25,100, 25,000 levels are a support for us. Finally, okay, let's look at BankX. BankX also, if it goes above the last 4 days high, do not play with the strangle bias, okay, in my opinion, because you'll get screwed badly here, okay, because the market has to give this up kind of a day and it's not giving it. So I will avoid a strangle bias on BankX if it's above the last 4 days high, okay. Now, why do we not trade mid-cap Nifty? I think it's one of the worst indices to trade. May like any kind of freak things happen, like 1 rupee option can go to 100. So that's why I hate Nifty also. Nifty में भी वही होता है. उसमें like for example, if I'm making like 2 lakh okay on a day, now when I lose, I'll lose like 7-8 lakhs. So उसमें I don't see the point of these indices. Bank Nifty is very different. Bank Nifty के साथ it will give you also like it will like reward you with like 15 lakh in a week or something. Then when it's bad, it will take money. But it rewards you very well. These indices, when I try to backtest them, okay, so backtest में कैसा होता है? With consistent logics, you need like week on week. You cannot have a different logic every week. So उसमें many times these backtests fail intraday में. So normal average trader, okay, it's going to be very difficult for them to make money. Who can make money easily, okay, in these indices? Only Praful Kulkarni can. Because like he kills it, okay, on a silent day also, but you are not him. So try to avoid it. It's not for everyone, I'm telling you. And we, okay, by nature, okay, we need some price logics in our trades, okay, which if we don't get, like we won't be taking too much risk on that day then. So because of these reasons, okay, because of the weird spikes, Fin Nifty also I don't do. Because earlier when it came 1k, it used to go to 100. 1k 100, how can you like get out of this? Matlab, you have to book a very big loss then. Kabhi to one, let's say for example, you're selling at, for example, 1. Now, even if you get out at 5, it's bad, okay, because like your 4 weeks are going to go then. So these kind of things matter to me a lot and they don't happen as easily in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty में कभी तो भी एक hard expiry मिलती है. बाकी every week you can make money. ठीक है, so BankX में I'm just telling you, simple, just trade the way you do. Above the last 4 days high, have a bullish bias in your trades because it can zoom up then potentially. Okay, I think that's it from our video. Okay, I have told you like bullish bias in Nifty because it's the all-time high closing. Bank Nifty also it's closing above the hammer, and I've told you the support level also here. Okay, so we'll be selling puts, okay, in this week, and we'll try to make them zero. And I told you when will I convert them into a triangle also. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you very soon in a video on Monday. Bye bye. Also, if you don't forget to hit the like button, okay.